Hi there, I'm Miriam and welcome to Miriam's Manor. So today's video I have for you guys is my outdoor Christmas decor. I just did a little bit of something around my courtyard as well as my yard decorations, but I still wanted to share it with you all. Also, I wanted to remind you that I did create an Instagram page for us all to share our Christmas Village videos as well as pictures. And I want to thank you for those of you who have shared your builds and videos with me of your villages for this year. Your projects, you guys, I'm so impressed. When I watch your videos and the pictures that you send me, I'm literally smiling ear to ear as I'm going through them because you guys have done such a fantastic job. I cannot tell that this is your first time building something, and I know that you all have mentioned that, but it just really makes me happy and smile to see your growth and how you've gotten better with your villages from year to year. So for those of you who have sent me your village videos, I would really love it if you could post those as well to Instagram, because I would love if you can encourage someone else to take that plunge and maybe try a build next year. If they see yours and see that this was your first time building something and how fantastic your project turned out, it might offer them some encouragement to go ahead and take the leap as well. So I look forward to seeing your posts on Instagram as well. So I'll go ahead and start the video.
Let's go ahead and start here at the front door. I have created a custom Miriam's Manor wreath, matching the one that's in my great room area. By the way, these wreaths will be available for sale soon if you're interested in purchasing one for next year. You can email me at miriamsmanor@gmail.com. I have matched the decor on the outside entryway to what's in my great room and front entryway in my home for what's on this Christmas tree and this little sleigh that I've added here to the front. Next, I've added a large wreath and garland to the front pillars that sit within the courtyard. Also, I added some teardrop swags to my coach lights. I haven't yet added a ton of yard decorations to my front yard yet. I do have a plan with what I know I want this space to look like over time, but every year I just add a little bit at a time. But my manger is my favorite thing that I have out in my yard for my Christmas decorations. My husband and my son actually built this stable, and this year I received such a beautiful gift. One of my neighbors, I'm not sure who, left this little rock that they painted in my manger this year, and I just thought it was such a beautiful blessing. So I just wanted to give you a nighttime view as well.
So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share. And if I may just speak to you for a few minutes, because I have a message on my heart that I would just really like to share with you all. This year has been such a challenging year for many of us, and some of us have lost loved ones this year, and some of us, our loved ones' lives have been drastically affected to where they will never be the same. And I just want to pray peace over you and your home and your family during this season. Even though this year my family and I were not able to do some of the normal things that we do to celebrate Christmas, this is still such a special year to me because I am still focusing on all of the beautiful things that my family and I are still able to do, and all of the traditions that we love, that we do over the years, like decorating Christmas cookies and going and seeing the light show at the neighbor's house, and even finding a new neighborhood this year with a great display. My family having our family movie nights and watching our favorite Christmas movies, and all of those little things that we do every year together. Those are the most precious and tender moments that I hold near and dear to my heart. And I just would like to encourage you that even if you are celebrating in a different way this year, find those special moments that still mean so much to you, and be thankful and grateful for those moments. Be grateful that you are here to even watch this video and watch me speak to you now. All of my gifts at this point are wrapped and under the tree, and I hear my kids going and looking at their presents and wondering which one is which, and if they got all the presents on their Christmas list, and which one is going to be their favorite. And it constantly reminds me of the greatest gift that I have received, and that is my salvation through Christ. And that in and of itself, if I had nothing else, is more than enough to be thankful for. And so I just want to encourage you this Christmas season. I know this is different for a lot of us in a lot of different ways. And my prayer for you in your heart, from my heart to yours, is that this time is spent being thankful for everything we have, while not focusing on things that might be a little bit different. My prayer for you is that the peace of God rules and reigns in your heart and in your home, and that you have a peaceful and joyous holiday season. And I pray that for those of you who are traveling, that you make it to your destinations safely, and that you are able to return home safely without any hurt, injury, or harm coming upon you. So I just encourage you to take some time as we close out 2020, reflecting on all of the beauty that it had to bring and that it offered, and all of those special moments that happened this year that are worth remembering and enjoying and being thankful for. And as we move into 2021, I pray that that heart of thanksgiving flows into next year. So until I see you again, stay safe. God bless you, and I will see you in 2021. Bye.